Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a bit of a different one. I'll be doing a review on a keyboard. It is the Dierya DK61e. It's a 60% mechanical keyboard. You probably know that if you're clicking on this. So, yeah, let's just do this. Let's just open the box up. I have my creepy knife, as you can see. I can't see the camera, so I'm pretty sure it's good. So, anyway, I'll just get this baby open. Alright, so I just unwrapped the plastic and let's just open it up. Alright, I removed the plastic, so this is it. So let's just open it up. There's also tape too, so but it's fine. So alright. Let me just check the view. There we go. Alright, you can see like lightings on it, don't mind that, but so actually I'm just gonna leave that last. So what comes in the box? Okay, this is coming out kinda weird. I'm just gonna take out the keyboard first, so let me stand up. This is the keyboard. I'll show it better in a little bit. Let me put this over to the side. So this is what's in the box. So there's a little manual. I don't know if you can see that, but scan. You probably can. Anyway, there are some keycaps in here. Not keycaps. Sorry. This is the switches. So there's a brown switch and a blue switch. So I don't know why, but there we go. So here's the keycap puller thingy. I don't know what they're called. I'm not really a crazy into computers. This, I do not know what this is. I will look into that later. But then there's the USB port, which in this case, it looks kind of weird. I'm going to show that. It looks kind of like, it takes like the same charge as my phone. So I'm going to put that to the side. So it looks like that is it in the box. So I will be just putting this either to the side or as the background. Alright guys, so I'm gonna unwrap this and I'm excited to see how it is. Alright, so this is the keyboard. I will be doing a sound test in a little bit. Alright guys, so I just took off the Alt key and you can see, as you can see, they are brown switches. I don't know if it's kind of blurry. I don't know why it's blurry, but yeah, they're brown switches. And so this is what we are at right now, so I'm just going to put that back on. Alright, so let's get this thing plugged in right now. Alright guys, so it is on right now, and I did turn off the lights a little bit so you can see it a little better. So there are a bunch of modes, as you can see. I can like switch them around from here. There's this one. You can like change the speed and everything. There's probably more you can do. I haven't looked at the manual yet. I just know this from other videos. But basically, here's one, like slowly covers up, and there's this, it like goes in circles. So there's a bunch of different modes. I'm probably gonna keep it on like, actually hold on, there's a bunch. So there's like this one. I'm just gonna go through. So it's like this effect. There's like the strobe. I don't know how to really pronounce. I don't know what these are called, but there's like this one. It like does different colors. And this one, it like, as you can see, it like covers it up with when I click it.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And there's this one. There's a like a pink. It like flashes. So yeah, I'm just gonna just put it whatever. It does this one. It just goes flashes whatever. And then I'll be back with a sound test. All right, so this is the sound test of the Dierya DK61e 60% mechanical keyboard, brown switches. So alright, so I'm actually gonna take the camera right here just to get a little closer sounding. Over here. So it sounds really clean, really nice. Alright, so basically guys, what I'm trying to say is if you want to get, if you're trying to get like this keyboard and you're thinking about it but you're not sure, definitely do it. It's very nice. I think I'm gonna enjoy this a lot. And so yeah, that's all I really had to say. So yeah, see what I don't know what the next scene is. This video is really out of order. Sorry. If I wanted to like change the speed, I would just go like this. So I would click FN and then whatever these two are.
Boy, if you don't.
So I would just click FN, and then if I wanted to speed it up, I click one on the right. It would speed it up. Sorry, and then one on the left, and you can make it go slow. So for this case, I'd probably keep it like this, but or you can just change it again, and it does there's some cool ones. So here's one where you click it, and I made the color permanently on red, but you can change that off. I'll do that later. So also when you click caps locks, it'll actually light up in different colors, which is kind of cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it. On to the next scene.
Psych!
Adam, be chill.